Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax for previous years using an easy method. First, you will need to gather all your income statements, deduction records, and other relevant tax documents for each year you need to file. Next, identify the correct tax forms for those specific periods. Finally, download these forms and their instructions directly from the official tax authority website to ensure accuracy. Once you have your forms, carefully fill out each one for its respective tax year. Pay close attention to accurately calculating your total income, eligible deductions, and any applicable tax credits. Double-check all figures and entries to prevent mistakes. A thorough review can save you time and potential issues later, ensuring your return is as precise as possible. It is important to understand potential penalties for late filing. A late filing penalty can be 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month your return is late, up to a maximum of 25%. Additionally, interest accrues on any unpaid taxes from the original due date, typically around 7% annually, compounded daily. Acting promptly can help minimize these additional costs. When ready, mail each completed tax return in a separate envelope to the designated tax authority address. If you owe taxes, include your payment to prevent additional penalties and interest. Always retain copies of all submitted forms, payment confirmations, and any related correspondence for your personal records. This ensures you have a complete history of your tax filings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.